Welcome to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today I am making buttery soft ghee suji cake. Rich, aromatic and soft, this eggless cake is perfect for tea time or special occasion. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add half cup curd, 2/3 cup powdered sugar. Mix well until smooth. Add 1/4 cup ghee. And mix well. Now take 1 cup suji, blend it in a blender for a fine texture. Blend suji finely for a softer cake. Add to the mixture. Mix everything well. Add half cup milk and mix until smooth. Keep aside for 10 minutes to allow the suji to absorb moisture. Add 1/4 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon cardamom powder. Sieve and add to the batter. Raise the batter for better texture. Mix well. Do not overmix after adding dry ingredients. Add 1/4 cup milk. Mix to form a smooth batter. Grease a 6-inch mold and place baking paper. Pour the batter and add dry fruits on top. Ghee provides energy and enhances flavor. Suji is light and easy to digest. Homemade cakes are free from preservatives. Controlled ingredients make it a better choice. Preheat a pan with a wire stand for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Place the mold inside and cook for 30 to 35 minutes on medium-low heat. Cook on low heat for even baking. Cool slightly, then demold and serve. Suji cake has a unique grainy yet soft texture. Ghee gives a rich aroma and flavor. Cardamom enhances traditional dessert taste. Eggless cakes are perfect for all diets. Your buttery soft ghee suji cake is ready. Serve warm or at room temperature. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovin Cake and Cookies for more easy baking recipes.